All right, so I need to let everybody know how to make perfect, fluffy, scrambled eggs with a little cheese integrated into them. So what I do is I crack 6 to 8 eggs. You can do smaller quantities. And these are so cute. These eggs have EB on them. They have my initials, so Eric Burgess eggs. And so I crack the eggs. I blend it up with this blender a lot. And then you put the non-stick spray in there. And you got to always add a little milk. So let's get this done and make some fluffy eggs.
You're sexy, babe.
All right, so the second secret to perfect scrambled eggs. Now, in addition to the milk that I added, you could add cream cheese. Cream cheese makes the eggs really smooth and silky. But milk works great too. The second secret is you cook it on, say, 7 or 8, but you have to maintain your eggs. You have to constantly scramble or scoop them off of the bottom so they don't burn. So use a non-stick pan with Pam or whatever spray, and you just work them and work them and work them. You can't walk away from the eggs because they will stick to the pan and burn. You don't want that. So we're gonna have some nice fluffy eggs here shortly. All right, so I said all right again. I can't not say all right. All right, so the second secret to cooking eggs is you can't leave them. You just have to stir them and stir them and stir them, otherwise they'll stick and burn. So it's good to use a non-stick pan and a spray. You can use butter, but butter sometimes actually makes things brown. It does that. I don't know why. It just does. So
Why?
I don't know why. You just have to constantly stir the eggs and give them love. You can't ignore them and walk away. You know, you don't want to divorce your eggs. You got to stay committed to the marriage. So as you're cooking them, and as they start solidifying, then you turn the temperature off and you continue to cook them a little bit. So
All right, give us a
just
dance
nice
move.
fluffy eggs. So what's that?
I said, give us a dance move. Do you do any dance moves while you cook?
Just go like this, you know. Just kind
Yeah, that's good.
and scoop it.
Whoa.
Scoop it.
Whoa,
Don't make a
okay.
mess. All right, clean cooking, not messy cooks. You don't want that.
Oh, wait. That's better than Grace.
You're feeling delusional. Oh, I'm gonna marry these eggs.
I thought you said you were going to marry me. Now it's eggs.
You got the cookie.
Oh, man, it's because I got delusional. How my body hurts. You're making me feel better and I'm really weird.
You know, laughter cures everything, right?
I'm really weird.
Well, that's why all the ugly comedians get the hot chicks, right? So this is the critical moment right now. It's starting to solidify. So you just keep stirring it. You get every inch. It's good to have this pampered chef too. You know, I like the silicone on this is really nice.
I love that too when I'm cooking it, like it's everything out of the bowl all the time.
Oh. See how those eggs are starting to fluff up? But you cannot leave the eggs. You have to constantly stir it because you don't want it to start sticking.
Once you start, you gotta stay focused.
Committed. And then it's still on 7 on my electric stovetop. Oops. I'm going to turn it off here in a second. All right, just turned it off. Now we're just finishing it up. Some beautiful fluffy eggs. EB eggs.
They look fluffier in person.
On camera, they're not as fluffy.
They look just ginormous in person. They're fluffy on the camera, but in person they are like as big as my hand.
These eggs are all done, and so now you just reach into your cabinet and grab a paper plate, right? Because we don't like to do dishes all the time. So, I mean, we could use the nice plates, but we don't need to use the nice plates all the time. And you put the fluffy eggs on the plate. And sprinkle some cheese. Look at that. Can you see that? Everybody loves my eggs. I don't know why. Sprinkle some cheese on there. Sometimes I'll put a little hint of Tabasco sauce. Tapatio mix.
I like paste.
Tapatio. Oh, you like paste? Where's the paste? I got it. All right. Put some paste on there, or an avocado. This is the easy way to do avocados. So look, I got my special avocado tool. So curve it around like this. Oh my God, look at that. That's amazing. So one way to do it is you can kind of scoop it through like that. And you can put it down like this and flip it over. And this goes like that, so you can squish it. You know, that's a quick and painless way to do it, avocado. Right? The other way with this tool is get the seed out. Whoop! There it goes. Whoops! And so you can start like this. Oop, the rest of this way. Run it through there. Bam! Got some more avocado. This one's nice and squishy. So there you go. Avocado, and you put it on there. Making it real, man. There you go. Avocado egg surprise.